Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will be guiding you through how to see liked reels on Instagram. So let's just start. You can see I'm on my iPhone. So first of all, open your Instagram, and once you do, you will be able to see that we have our feed and everything going on. So how do you actually check your likes? So for that, head over to your profile from the bottom right side of your account, and once you're onto your account, head over to these three lines on top right, and from there you are going to be simply heading over to your activities section. So you can simply search for it, or you can scroll down and see your activities section as well. So searching is really convenient, so I suggest doing that. Once you do, you can see you have this your activity section over there. You'll be able to see the likes. You also have comments and reposts and everything for this as well. Head over to likes, and there you go. So that's how you can find all the posts that you are liked, whether they are reels, posts, or anything that you got. It will be populated over here. So that's how you can see like reels on Instagram. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.